Welcome back to our another video. Hello guys, today I'm talking about Pixlab's application. First of all, click on the Pixlab application. You can download this application from Play Store. uh, okay, as I editing previously, I can edit this previously or close it. Okay, first of all, I delete all of this, delete, and delete this here, and click use image from gallery. Here's the option you can select. I select this image, click OK. Where is image was replacing? Sorry, it's not searching. The image not work. Here's the click on this image. Here is click OK. I think software problem. I click there. Okay, click OK. Here working, the background is changed, and now I can write lead and anything in here. Lead, write my name. Write my name. Okay. Write my name and make this, make it 3D. Sorry. Click on the 3D button. Where is the 3 text? Okay, now the text was make done 3D. Now create 3D shadow, opacity, blurriness, expand by, sorry, expand by. Okay, now rotate it slightly. Click OK. Now give the 3D other axis, gradient, color, black, white, auto. Okay, darkness I can increase, rotations, intensity I can make it higher. Okay, all of the I can use the line spacing up, down. Okay, as there is, I can use stock color. I take red, plus OK. Now stock, make this stock. Okay, sorry, this color is not taken. Click plus button and take red. Yes, take red. Okay, now it's red. Here's the red. Okay, let us continue in stock. Background, I can set the background, red stock background. Okay, light fill up, short mapping, rounded to mapping. Here's the half full mapping, bottom padding. As a bottom padding, there is the text is placing on the background, and this looks like awesome. I can make the opacity down or up. Okay, I can reduce the size and up the size. Okay, all of that done. I can give some texture on this text. Click on here, and here is some image, and this image please look like a texture. Okay, here the image was placed on the text. Okay, there's the awesome look and awesome behavior. Now click on the save button, save as project, save in image, click on the save it image, add image format and save to gallery. Here my image was rendering. Thanks all of guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.